Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to turn off or on the BTS in BeReal. So let's get started. So to turn off and turn in the BTS, you have to follow this easy step. Just open your BeReal. Okay. So here you have to click on like take a post. So here you can see the BeReal post. So to turn it on, you will just click on here. If you close it here, and it will be off. So basically the basic difference is when you will just turn on the BTS, it will take a video. When you will take off like turn off the BTS, it will take the photo. So by this way you can do it, and it's easy way too. And if you have any question related to this, you can let me know in my comment section. And if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.